one to call the Undertaker.
There it is.
This is the Undertaker. This is why your pizza can be delivered
Quick.
in time.
Jimmy John's.
You never get it for free with this guy. You'll be there on time every time. So it's got an LS twin turbo. What brake horsepower is it pushing?
642 dyno.
642 brake to the back wheels.
300 pounds.
Do you have any brakes here?
Barely.
Barely have any brakes. And the drums are disc. The drums. Oh my God. How can you brake the drum brakes with this thing? If you accelerate and brake at the same time, you got disc in the front?
Yeah.
Oh, finally he's got disc.
Something.
Okay, so this is a great expression of people's internal beliefs. This was obviously built because the person built it. Was it built for you, or was it built for you? And why did you choose the LS? Why not a Ford?
Reliability.
Reliability, okay. And you thought it would give you more boost in the turbo?
No, I got
Fantastic.
a Camaro, 1971 Camaro front end, a Mustang power steering. It's a Frankenstein.
It's a Frankenstein. That's what hot rod's about. So you can see now the S suspension has dropped the whole body to the floor. Can you see it on the floor? This is what you call flooring it, decking it to the ground. So when you anti-theft. When you have a car like this and you don't want your neighbor to leave because they're parked in your parking space, you put this bad boy there, and the neighbor can't push it, can't do anything. It's on the ground, flat on the ground. Amazing car. Where do you live?
I'm in Plantation.
Plantation. What's your address? You see finance, like I'm not giving you that. Do you guys want to hear this car start?
Yeah!
What does Dominoes say about it?
Yeah, they love it.
That's excellent.
Jared, come on, Brian. Now, I'm gonna display.
All right, we're about to hear it start up.